Hi, teachers. So if you can't find your sharing cart, maybe you don't have one, or maybe you deleted it by accident, that's no problem. You can make another one. So click Turn Editing On. And then if you move your cursor over to the blue navigation bar, maybe actually here. Yeah, so maybe it'll look like this, but you can always, by clicking this right here, you can move it out and see all of the options in this sidebar. And if you scroll down to the very bottom, so it's past site administration, you'll see this option right here, add a block. So you can click add a block. And the kind of block you want to add is you have to scroll down to S for sharing cart. So you click here, sharing cart, and wait for it to think. And then on my computer, it displays on the right side of my screen. That's probably where it will display for you. If just note, see this arrow. So if you don't see it, where's my sharing cart? Then look for this arrow on the right side of your screen and click on it, and then you will see your sharing cart right here. So yes, that is how you add a sharing cart to your online classroom.